Understanding xenophobia. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to discuss a word that has been in use quite often in modern times: xenophobia. Let's delve deep into its meaning, origins, and how it's used in sentences. Xenophobia is a combination of two Greek words. Xenos means foreigner or stranger, and phobos means fear. Together, they form a word that describes an irrational fear or hatred of foreigners or anything foreign or strange. To understand any word, it's always good to see it in action. Here are a few examples of how xenophobia might be used in sentences. 1. The country's economic downturn led to a rise in xenophobia among its citizens. 2. Many leaders around the world are working to combat xenophobia and promote unity. 3. It's essential to differentiate between being cautious and outright xenophobia. Understanding the term xenophobia is vital because it's a prevalent issue in many parts of the world. Recognizing xenophobia can help in 1. Promoting global unity. 2. Avoiding misconceptions about different cultures. 3. Ensuring we treat everyone with respect, irrespective of their background. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and antonyms of xenophobia. Synonyms: racism, prejudice, nationalism, in the context of superiority. Antonyms: xenophilia, a love or fondness for foreign things or people. Acceptance, tolerance. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of the word xenophobia. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards understanding and acceptance. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.